Hi, and welcome from your ITC Geeks. My name is Trapper Hallam, and I'm here today to show you some exciting changes for the support that we have to offer you. Now, some of them are small, but some of them are handy. So, what I'm going to show you is some stuff to make your life a little bit easier when you're looking for those files and documents and questions that you may have to ask and where to put them. So, let's take a look at that now. First, let's jump over to ClassLink and take a look at that page. You should notice something new on that page, and if you do, it should be right here. You'll notice that on here you now have a direct link to your GoG Geek Support Forum, right? This is the place that you go to get all of your questions answered, leveraging not only your ITC Geeks, but also everyone in the district. So let's jump into this and just take a look at how it works. If you roll right over here to the Support Forum Geeks icon in ClassLink and you click on it, it should prompt you to open up the team. And you can either open that up in Teams or you can do it in the web. Either way works perfectly fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up in Teams and we'll see that that pops up. And there you go. You'll notice right away that you've already entered right into the support forum. And again, we will be kind of customizing this as we go. We haven't gotten to that part yet, but it is as it was last year. We have a place for announcements. Some of the support documents that we put will be located here in this channel. And then you have your questions from everything from Teams questions to our newsletters if we post them, to NWEA questions, Office 365, OneNote, other resources, and of course, Schoology. So anytime that you need to do that or any information that we need to share, or if you have a question to ask, post it in here. I'll make another video just showing how to post correctly in there and how to use it so that you get a little more leverage and power out of this, but it's a fantastic place for us to share our information with you quickly and easily directly to you. So the other exciting change that we have today is if you navigate over to Schoology, we've kind of redesigned some of the names of our Schoology course offerings that we have for you, and we've given them a little title, and we've cleaned them up. So the first one that you should be familiar with, and you've already used it this year, is the Professional Development District Provided PD that we used on September 3rd. You can see that course right here. So that one everybody's already familiar with. So we just gave it a new logo, a little bit of a new name, and then every time that we go to have PD for you, any offerings, again, if we have some in January, you'll go right to this course. You should already be signed up, so that makes that a lot easier. Now, the other courses we have is what used to be called the GoG Support course, I believe. I don't remember the exact name. I'll throw it up on a title in the video, but now we've changed it to Professional Development Archive. Now, let's take a peek at this and see what it has to offer. So if we click on that, it's going to open up. You'll notice right away that it's cleaned up a bit. And that's important because if things are just a big garbage bag full of stuff, it's really hard to find anything. So we've customized this, so there's a few different ways that you can find what you need, however best suits you. So, of course, you can read the directions here. It'll explain a little bit more in detail, but if we look at the folder set that we have a DPPD folder. This is for an archive of exactly the PDs as they existed for you in the professional development course I already showed you. So we copy those, we bring them back here, it looks exactly the same. So this is handy if there was a course that you were like, I gotta get to that one, I didn't get a chance to watch it, or I need to revisit this because it had some information in it that I wanted. You can click on it, it will look just like the PD course, so you should be able to find it. So if you click open the last one from September, you'll notice it looks identical, okay? So you can jump in there and see any of those sessions that you'd like there. Now, let's close that and take a look at the curriculum folder. This is a accumulation of all of the PDs that we've offered, plus some additional resources, and we'll talk more about that in a minute, categorized by curriculum. So that if you are a math teacher like I am and you want to see just math stuff, anything that we've kind of accumulated, we'll put right in here. If you are a counselor and you want to see what materials we've accumulated for you, you'll see them under counseling. And again, most of these right now are just a reproduction of the DPPD offerings that we've already given you, but as we progress and get new materials, we're going to start adding them here. Essentially, this course will be just a giant library of any resources that we can gather and accumulate for you. So if you're ever looking for anything, instructions, videos, new material, this is the place to go. You'll see the next folder down on the list is Educational Technologies. So anything that was centered around educational technologies, we moved into this folder. So while this is curriculum based, this is your big ideas, your Savvis, your TCI, all of those, your Dreambox, your eSpark, those are going to be found in curriculum, also in the DPPD. But what we did, instead of putting it all together, we separated out just the educational technology piece. So these would be resources or digital resources that you use in your classroom that might not be specifically curriculum, but can aid and assist with your curriculum. So you can see everything from Discovery Classroom to the Calm Classroom, College Board, ClassLink, you get the idea. So all of these will be located in here. If you pop open Office 365, you'll notice that OneDrive, OneNote, Stream, Teams, and Teams Meetings are all located in there. And Teams Meeting is one of our larger ones because we use it frequently. So all of that information is put into here. Again, mostly old material, but new stuff is being added as we find it. So, and then the last one down here at the bottom, let's close that, is going to be pedagogy. So anything related to teaching strategies or teaching concepts or classroom concepts will be found in here. Onboarding, SEL, digital citizenship, things that you should consider outside of your curriculum in these digital spaces and or for your regular classroom, realistically. So, just to summarize then, because I just want to make this a quick video, a redesigned professional development archive where you can find things much easier and quicker for you, either by the PD, by curriculum, educational technology, or pedagogy in this course. Fantastic. Hopefully that makes your life a little easier. Hopefully it makes the materials that you're looking for a little quicker to find. Let's take a look at the last course. The last course is the UCS Staff Technology Training. This is really designed around the fact of a new teacher being in the district. But with that said, it's going to be structured a bit different from the PD courses. You'll see this take a little bit more structure as we go. We may actually make more personalized videos, but basically all of your instructions for everything that's really essential to teaching in our district, Schoology, Power School, ClassLink, Microsoft Teams stuff, all kind of synchronized into almost a structured course as opposed to just a resource. So you can see that it's numbered, it looks a little bit different. There will be minimal materials inside, just enough to get you up and running. Not necessarily everything that we've ever shared with you, but enough to get you going if you're a new teacher, or if you're an old teacher that's just getting started again, or if there was something that you needed to remember or you wanted to be refreshed, this would be another place you can go. I will share all of the access codes, which I think we already did in a sway, but we'll share them again in this video or in the description down below so that you can add this in if you don't have this course added to your existing Schoology course. So, real quick summary, some redesign of the courses, hopefully to help you, a new course to hopefully kind of give you a little bit of clarity in trying to get up to speed if you're new, and then of course the GoG Support Forum link right on your ClassLink page. Hopefully this was just a quick video to kind of give you a preview of all the things that we've been working on for you, and of course if you need anything, go ahead and message us in Teams or go to the support forum, ask the questions there, likely you'll see one of our responses. All right, I'm hoping you have a good day, and we'll see you next time.